Are you a man over 40 experiencing unexpected changes in your body, such as bladder control issues, sudden leaks, or discomfort during everyday activities? You're not alone. Millions face this silently, but the solution might be simpler than you think with targeted pelvic floor care. Welcome to Life-Changing Pelvic Floor Stretches for Seniors, Part 1. Today, we're diving into 4 essential exercises specifically designed for men over 40 to strengthen this crucial muscle group and improve your daily comfort and confidence. Before we begin these helpful stretches, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Drop a comment below with your city or country, whether it's bustling New York, sunny California, or anywhere around the world, to connect with our growing community. The pelvic floor muscles form a hammock-like structure at the base of your pelvis, supporting vital organs like your bladder, bowel, and sexual organs, making them essential for continence, stability, and overall quality of life as you age. Many men over 40 overlook these muscles until problems like incontinence, erectile dysfunction, or prostate-related discomfort arise, but starting proactive care now can prevent these issues and restore your vitality effectively. Our first stretch is the pelvic tilt, a gentle foundational exercise that helps you identify, engage, and gently strengthen your pelvic floor muscles without any risk of strain. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor hip-width apart, and arms relaxed by your sides. Inhale deeply to prepare, then as you exhale slowly, gently flatten your lower back against the floor by tilting your pelvis. Imagine gently pulling your belly button towards your spine while keeping your hips still and stable. Feel that subtle internal contraction. Hold it for a few seconds with steady breath, then release smoothly. Repeat this pelvic tilt 8 to 10 times at a comfortable pace, always focusing on the gentle, controlled contraction and release of your pelvic floor, avoiding any straining or forcing the movement. Next up is the bridge pose, a powerful yet accessible exercise that further strengthens your pelvic floor muscles along with your glutes and core for better support. Starting from the same lying position with knees bent and feet flat, press firmly through your feet into the floor and lift your hips upward, forming a straight line from your shoulders through your hips to your knees. At the top of the bridge, gently squeeze your glutes and engage your pelvic floor muscles as if stopping the flow of urine. Hold this position steadily for 5 full seconds while breathing normally, then lower your hips slowly and controlled. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions of the bridge pose, maintaining proper form throughout and remembering to breathe deeply and steadily to keep oxygen flowing to your muscles. Our third stretch is the happy baby pose, which is particularly excellent for releasing built-up tension in the pelvic floor, inner thighs, and groin area safely. Lie comfortably on your back. Draw your knees toward your chest, reach up to grab the outer edges of your feet with your hands, and gently open your knees wider than your torso while keeping your head relaxed. With a gentle rocking motion, if comfortable, pull your feet downward toward the floor while keeping your tailbone grounded and stable. You should feel a deep, soothing stretch in your inner thighs and groin without pain. Hold the happy baby pose for 30 seconds to a full minute, breathing deeply and rhythmically, allowing your body to relax progressively into the stretch and release any held tension. Finally, we have the restorative child's pose, a calming stretch that gently opens your hips, lengthens the lower back, and deeply relaxes the pelvic floor muscles. Begin on your hands and knees in a tabletop position, then spread your knees wide apart while keeping your big toes touching, and slowly sit your hips back toward your heels for a comfortable fold. Extend your arms out in front of you on the mat. Lower your forehead gently to rest there, and allow your entire torso to sink softly between your thighs in full relaxation. Maintain child's pose for 30 seconds to a minute, concentrating on your slow, deep breaths to enhance the release of tension in your hips, lower back, and pelvic floor. These 4 introductory stretches provide a fantastic, safe starting point for significantly improving your pelvic floor health and overall well-being as a man over 40. Consistency truly is key to seeing results, so try incorporating these stretches into your daily routine. Even just a few dedicated minutes each morning or evening can lead to noticeable improvements over time. Remember, This is just part one of our comprehensive series. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll build on these basics with more advanced exercises and specialized techniques. If you found this video helpful for your pelvic health journey, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more targeted health and wellness tips designed for men over 40. Thank you so much for joining us today. Prioritize taking care of your pelvic floor health. Practice these stretches regularly, and we'll see you soon in the next video of this empowering series.